Hello. Okay, we're gonna get started. This should be really quick. So I'm gonna try I'm gonna clean my mats. As you can see, my mats are filthy. I haven't cleaned them in so long because I depend on this tape. I tape it, and you can see I leave the stuff on here until I go and use it again. So I'm gonna clean two mats. I'm gonna do one with Awesome, and the way you do Awesome with a scraper. Then I'm gonna do one with the Dawn Powerwash and the Magic Eraser. So let me just get two that look about the same. Let's do this one. Ooh, this filthy. We'll do the two dirtiest ones, okay? This one and this one are the dirtiest ones. And I'll clean these other ones on my own time. Okay, so the way you do the, we'll start with the Awesome first. So the way you do Awesome, and I just want to see which one is the best, so I can clean my mats. Then I can get in there and I can clean all my silicone stuff. I got dried epoxy on everything. So I got me a little scraper. Got me some Awesome. Okay, this Awesome don't want to spray. Hold on. Wait. I'll be back. Okay, so it's not spraying, but that don't stop nothing. Okay. So, I'm going to put it everywhere like I had sprayed it. So y'all pretend I sprayed this, okay? So I sprayed it everywhere on the mat. Let it sit for a minute. And so I can, okay, so that's sprayed on. And for the Dawn, you just spray that on and use the Magic Eraser. So, I guess I got to open it. Putting a good amount on there. Then Awesome, I already started to break it down. I can see that now. Probably don't have to use that much Dawn, but that's what I'm doing. So with the Awesome, all you do is scrape it. Okay, once you finish this, you rinse it and allow it to dry. So I'm gonna rinse it, then I'll come back and do the power wash. And you notice I only sprayed it one time, so I just push it around on the mat to get to the spots. Okay, so I'm gonna take it and I'm just gonna rinse it. Just warm water. Okay, so I got my craft drainer. This is where I when I do my trays, sometimes I put my trays in here. When I do a hydro dip, as I'm dipping, this is my thing that I sit the trays in. Okay, so that's the Dawn. That's the Awesome. I'm gonna let that dry. And the Dawn is a magic eraser, so just use the magic eraser. I probably should have wet it. Let me wet it. Let me think about that. Okay. Magic eraser. Let me move this out the way. I'm gonna rinse this. Allow these to dry. But this one is the Awesome on this side. And this is the Dawn Powerwash on this side. And all I'm gonna do is stand them up. Okay, so I got them stood up. Awesome Dawn Powerwash. So I'm gonna let these dry and I'll be back. Okay, we're back, and this they're dry. So this is the one with the Power Wash, and this is the one with the Awesome. Okay. So we're gonna see. Okay, so both of them are pretty clean. These are some old mats. These probably about 2 years old. I don't even know if they're gonna stick. So both of them are clean. You can see all of the lines on here. I'm forever cutting on this one. Both of them are pretty clean. So let's see if they stick. So. Awesome. Good. Still pretty good. So Awesome did good. And this is Power Wash. I'm trying to line this up like I'm really finna cut something. Uh-oh. Okay, so this one stick also. It don't stick right here because if you look, I done scraped that off, so it's been cut. So both of them stick. Sticky came back. So, this one go right here. So, this is the Awesome. This is the Power Wash. And by the way, these are the best mats that they sell on Amazon. Nacapa. And I think that's N-A-C-A-P-A. So I've been using these for a long time. So both of these work the same. I would much rather do this. It ain't as hard as scraping. But you can use either one, and since I was able to use this Dawn, I'm sure any dishwasher would, dishwashing liquid would work. I just happen to have the Dawn Power Wash because I do a lot of Power Wash method for the trays and tumblers and things like that. So, in conclusion, Awesome with a scraper. And Dawn Power Wash still got soap in it. Sorry about that. With the magic eraser. Both of them work about the same. For this one, you spray and you scrape. For this one, you spray, you wet your magic eraser and just use the magic eraser. So both of them work. I heard that the Awesome would take off the lines and the color, but it didn't do it for mine. So I guess that person probably was scraping too hard. I just barely scraped. I didn't scrape down hard. I just barely scraped. So I thank you all for watching this quick video. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. If you have subscribed, thank you so much and welcome back. Please give a like for this video if you enjoyed it. A thumbs down if you didn't enjoy it, but please tell me what the problem is. Don't just give a thumbs down and run off. Let me know what I can do to make it better. Also, hit that bell, ding, 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 so you can be notified when I upload new content. You all have a good one. Bye-bye. Okay. Ceasefire, ceasefire. I have an alibi. If you've been in the military, you know what I'm talking about. So I have something to add is what I'm saying. Upon further review, okay, so I just did my cricket mats. You notice the other two mats were not cricket. So I just did my cricket mats. And I see what they're talking about. It does take the color off. Now, this is with Dawn Powerwash because that's what I decided to do. It took the color off of all my mats. A little bit of color off of them. They still sticky. Look like they still gonna be sticky. It even did it for the big one. It took the color off of the big one also. So, let's just wait a couple of minutes. I'll wait till this get dry. And then I'll let you know if the sticky come back on. So again, the copper mats did not fade, but all of the cricket mats, when I washed them, and this is the Dawn Powerwash, when I washed them, they did fade. So let's see if they still sticky. Be right back. Still sticky. That's my daughter coming in the front door. So, even though it faded a little bit, well, I'm wrong because that little part that's faded is not sticky. So it actually rubbed it off on the cricket mat. So that's what happened. I might have scrubbed that too hard because everywhere else is sticky. This one too. Everywhere is sticky except where I rubbed it off. So it might be rubbed too hard. Let's see. But it wasn't. But okay, so this one rubbed off a lot, but this is my original mat, and from when I first got my cricket, so I've had this for over 2 years. So that might be, it might just be worn out. But it did fade a little bit. This is a newer one. This one's only 6 months old, and it faded a little bit. All right, that's it. Again, Powerwash, Awesome. Both work. Awesome with the scraper, Powerwash with a magic eraser. Okay, see you later.